Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this, what do you even call this? I braided it here. This is a nice baby hair, tied it in the back. We got some nice big hair, and it was so big I didn't want it in my face, so I kind of wanted to do a style that was like a little bit back, a little bit out of my face, but still like giving something. So I don't know, but if you want to see how I got this, so look honey, baby hairs and all, period thing, keep watching. So Asteria sent me this 30-inch deep wave wig. Look how big, oh my god, look how big this wig is. We're gonna have to really like tame this, because what is it giving? Like Diana Ross, like it's really giving those type of vibes. But we about to get it right. We're gonna make it look very cute. We're gonna tame it, and we're gonna style this up real good. First we have to go on with tinting the lace, of course, so y'all already know how that goes. So we're gonna tint underneath, and we're also gonna tint on top, just so we can make sure it's extremely saturated. And not only that, if you don't know, if you're new to this video, how you doing, girl? Oh boy, whatever. And I don't like these combs on the inside of the wig. I feel like they could snag things. I feel like it's just very unnecessary, so I'm definitely gonna wind up cutting these off. But other than that, let's get into the styling, because it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be cute and simple, but it's gonna be something that you can do, you know, for the spring, summertime, because it is still spring at the moment. So if you want to wear some big hair, this is definitely the time to do it before it gets too hot and it's just like, you know. So let's just get something cute, some nice baby hairs and all that, and let's see what we create, y'all. I'm going off the top, so I don't know what's about to go on yet. Alright y'all, so this is the final look, and can we just like watch when this hair get a little bit bigger? But I actually like it like this a little bit. Like I like the bigger look, but the bigger look is a little bit too much, like a little bit too much. But the look is given, like very much given. Now I will say I think I cut it a little bit too much on the sides right here. So I think what I'm gonna do is just spray it down. Let me see, if I spray it down a little bit, I mean, you're still gonna be able to see the cap. So how about this? I'm gonna just push the cap back from underneath, and maybe you won't be able to see it that much. Like this piece of lace is lifting, so I'm gonna put it back down. But you can't really see it on this side, but you can see it on this side. So I'm gonna fix it. But anyways, this is what she's giving. Y'all, what you think? Let me back up. So this is what she's giving. And come on. She's very much doing that. Period. Yes, let me know what y'all thinking about this look down below, and let me know what she's giving. Is she giving spring? She's definitely not giving summer, even though some of y'all might say that. I'm not saying that. She's giving very much spring, because I couldn't do all this in the summertime. Like, it'd be too hot, especially in Georgia. Oh please, I'm not doing it. But if you like this video, leave a like, click that like button, comment down below and let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.
So don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.